people, welcome to the Politricks. This is Sir P. I'm going to talk about the Mitchell man again. I'm going to talk about Thickman. Because since his demise, too much buffoonery has taken place for me to ignore it. The funeral not even reach it because I know that I got bossy. The budget is going to be very, very rambunctious. Is that the correct way to use rambunctious? I don't know. I'm just trying to impress the Winnipeggians. Try and make it sound like we got big school. What a message me get. Tell us that people get upset when they see local YouTuber gone around 3D. But big up on themselves same way, cause I know say whole blogger boy out there. But for some reason people want to hear this blogger boy have to say. Especially as it relates to certain topics. I'm talking about that. I get a message, congrats to a YouTuber. 400,000 subscribers. Them things that are really for the movement, you know. Them things that are really for the PIA. People like see them things and say, yeah, you know, it's a good look. But whenever you get caught up in them things there, in case you haven't noticed, when it comes down to following YouTube protocols, I'm one of the worst YouTubers out there. So YouTubers supposed to tell us, say, remember to like, share and subscribe to the video. That's what YouTube 101 textbook tell you. And I tell man, say, yo, hit this like button, I'm working here. But somehow, reach 400,000. But let me just say this. People like subscriber numbers because that's the first thing, because they can easily see it under the video. But don't get too caught up with that. The real number that matters is total views. It has to be studied. Especially when time you consider the amount of videos that led to those total views. Winnipeggians have to study it. The PIA movement is normal. Even if I try and downplay it, under no sir unicorn made. So I'm not even ever saying nothing more about that. A movement that started on YouTube with a little YouTuber and some like-minded Jamaicans. Way back in the day them used to laugh. Well, who's laughing now? Clown guy. Sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a vulture squaddian. Every morning you have to wake up and look in the mirror. A mediocre LIQ duppy bat looks back at you. And you splash some water in your face, a box of jar, and you tell yourself that today is going to be the day. I'm going to step past the little YouTuber, step past the PIA movement. It's not happening, duppy bat. Big up the YouTuber them who are PIA too. Because contrary to popular belief, the PIA movement, the local YouTubers are willing with and reason more time, but just true. Them they really put it out there like that and me not put it out there like that. But we have YouTubers that will link with man and reason with more time. Big them up. Anyway, let's get into the video. First thing I gotta talk about. I see them put out in a paper say Thickman wanted. Thickman was one of the most wanted. Wanted by the Spain girl them. We love the killy and they done them. Is that the type of wanted they mean? When they say Thickman was most wanted? When they get pregnant, they have to throw a 50 name in a bag and just shuffle it up and pick a name. Must be wanted by them. Can't be wanted by police. Thickman was most wanted. A unicorn wanted that. I'm telling you, so sometimes you have wanted and you have unicorn wanted. Unicorn wanted is when technically the person is wanted. Yes, you might find the name on the poster, but the person move around normal every single day. They make it sound like Thickman did a hide in one hole like Saddam Hussein. Remember the Thickman all the interview, you know? Have you forgotten? Thickman do all interview. So you think one journalist guy can go find Thickman on the side of the road and the security forces can't? It's not like them find Thickman now on bunker and them give him a special invitation to come talk to him. Thickman and journalist guy just link up and just do interview on the roadside. Until them saying go down a station with him lawyer and all kind of something. That wasn't a real wanted. The amount of police who drink liquor out of Thickman. The amount of squaddy from Spain will drink liquor with Thickman by them. That sound like wanted man to you. A matter of fact, man, look on your screen right now. Look on your screen right now And try and suppress your jealousy, by the way. Try and suppress your bad mind, because I know only stay. Me already try to suppress mine. It's hard, but me already suppress mine. Pretty killy slippers. Pretty slippers, no man. What I want to call that? Sandals. I want to call them something. I must have already used to the bossy style. What that name? Sandals, slippers. Catch the feet, no man. Catch the slippers, no man. A crocodile clitoris that make out. That slippers they were Thickman a beat. A crocodile clitoris that make out. You can't afford them things. You can't afford them things. Max out your credit card all you want. You can't reach them things. Crocodile clitoris. Thickman carry. That look like wanted man to you. Look on this next picture. That look like wanted man. Remember when me did drop the video? A preke boy who was actually a wanted man turned now one caveman. That look like wanted man to you? I got the Spain town girl them favorite Dan carry. Meanwhile you have paddle for a little banana boat. Suppress your bad mind, guy. Suppress your bad mind. I yacht the man carry it. That look like wanted man to you? Does that look like a want? Thickman was not no real wanted man. Police heal Thickman. Wagwan me general. Matter of fact, Spain people them can tell you. And you can ask them if you don't believe me, cause that's my thing of a bad mind scammer. Fight against artists and make up things to get views. So don't take my word for it. Ask Spain people them. Police in the morning right now. The Thickman dead. Licky blue bandit I tell people saying can't believe in general dead cause. Normally you can link him and get a little one thing and link him and get all 2 drinks by and. But they couldn't help Thickman because the ops bypass Spain police. Only certain man they know what one. Cause if CTAC did ever make Spain police get certain information, this Sunday coming, Thickman would be on another boat with him crocodile clitoris shoes. Thickman squad friend them begs cause they couldn't save him like they have done in the past. They couldn't tip him off way out in advance, make him take away himself. By the time certain things reached Thickman, it was too late. Imagine a place where squaddy a ball. Saying done dead. Vile! One look on the screen right now. Look on this here, so. Criminologist says it may be. Alright, new gang need after Thickman dead. Criminologist. You needed a criminologist from Winnipeg. Criminologist from Connecticut. Criminologist from UWI. For tell you say one order may get new done. This is like looking on the front page of the Gleaner and seeing accidentologist says if car lick you down, you may dead. Where's the donkey when you need him? Forget about inventing the wheel. Forget about discovering fire. Forget about electricity. Forget about traveling to space. All those things pale in comparison to what we have just discovered here, courtesy of Nationwide. Think about it. Imagine waking up and looking on the front of the papers and see. Marine biologist says, if water dash upon you, you may get wet. Robodologist says, if a penis is inserted in a vagina, you may get pregnant. Every blogger boy in a bloggerdom tell you this. Every blogger boy and blogger girl in a bloggerdom can tell you this. But when you add a big title to it, suddenly it becomes profound. I love big titles when them give me big knowledge. But for some reason that not go on the Iron Man. They see them call out an expert. Expert says if you jump off one 5-story building, your ankle might pop. Security expert says people need to be careful of gunshot because it might harm them. These are the things you just regularly see. on a day-to-day basis in their favorite papers them. It has to be studied. But this Thickman saga don't done right as so. One other man never make all kind of talk. No fight are just bravado and machismo. Because them done get dust out like C-Talk. They have one of them little feather thing them where you see. In the long time movie them. I saw them get dust out. And cause them to Thickman are big Dan. And them want show you say, you know, them are a joke gang. Them don't afraid of police. That's why them talk like this. But rest assured, should one another carry out organized attacks against security forces, that would play right in the hands of the security forces. You know why? Because now they have all the justification they need to turn one order in a one funeral home. Perry's going bingo. The first police them shot. Anyway Perry's there, him skin off all 98 time teeth them. Because him know say a bingo, him a go bingo. Because him go and get orders for $1 million package non-stop. Because the amount of man from Spain, him have to go bury. The amount of man from Taspen, we go and make Perry's bingo if they start kill back police with Thickman. It will need to be studied. Dovecot and Medaris shall findeth no space for one other gunman. For any man where even the dog that made the mistake of urinating close to Taspen, even that dog shall be getting a package from Perry's. The funeral home them a Spanish Town right now. I rub them hands with glee, anticipating the amount of man they will have to go bury. If one other start war with the security forces. The gingy fly that made the error of pitching on the window. Our man will kill back the police and the soldier for Thickman. That gingy fly will be getting a $600,000 package. Everybody get one package. Remember back in the day with Oprah? You get one, you get one, you get one, and someone I give you a package. The rat will live in the garbage bin side of killy will carry out operations against security forces. You think man, the rat is getting a package, all him are dead too. That rat is getting a $400,000 package, a horse and carry to my drying pan. You go and see horse and carry to draw through Spain town. You go and think it's the Victorian era we going back to. When me hear one other man from Taspen and man from Elite, oh, you go see man you go dead back or you kill back 10 police boy. Have fun guy, as the Yankee them say, have at it. Have at it guy. But me no say chat no found no chat. Because me know 7-time gunman feel real pressure victim when they turn in. They on internet a ball board. Oh, this one look at you to try them to pressure me. That's what you gonna be saying, guy. You gonna be talking tough. You not build like that. I dust them dust out of done. One other guy. Sit down pan corner and talk about who for all the boys therapy a beer shot. That's cute, but watch this. You done? Bigger than you. And him get dust out like a feather mop. You dip on corner and chat off your mouth about how much gun you have and how much money you go kill back. The first killing on the carry out, I assure you, on the kerosene them, right, I got turn in a diesel. And after I only get dust out too, like Thickman, the kerosene will ball and make nice boy yo, within 7 business days. And next man I go blow her back out to smithereens. By the time she reaches her funeral, Duppy Bat, she's already carrying the seed of her next man. It has to be studied. You know, talk about look YouTube I got dead and look YouTube I got dead. That's cute. When I try to dust me out like oh, sit at dust out in the dan. Why no want harm a little blagger boy? I miss a little blagger boy. I'm telling you how it go already. Typical Dan. I tell you, You go hear about the various charity tricks. You go hear say, one time a man did blind and he just rub him hand across his face and he got his sight back. Guy, don't be upset. Iron Man 87th. Without one other clansman. This is what I don't like, you know. One time when the Dan dead around 87 dead, when you come and go on like say, he was a child who was just going to school get murdered. Toughen up, guy. This is an occupational hazard. Or if you turn fireman and smell little smoke on a ball boat, John won't start, we can't do the smoke thing, you know. And you're a fireman, we are see all kind of bad man and done a ball boat. You can't believe the dog there and all them to kill the man, all them to kill the man. That is ridiculous. Dummy. I mean all them to kill the man. He died doing what he loved. He's tough, right? He's now in Area Heaven with Termite and Bulby and them, man. And you know Area Heaven? The place where Iron Man and things them can just be wicked and evil all them life, and right before them tell them last word, them say, God forgive me, and then go heaven, that place there. But thankfully I've reserved my spot in the other heaven. The one where the dog and the mongoose then go. Because that one is better. One of the man them say, man, kill back police. Man, kill back soldier. Them can't do it because them have gun. And enough of them willing to kill. We know that. Spain Town is not going back to where it used to be. Me tell you already, guy, the days of the Tesha Millers and the Bulbies are over. Sit back and watch Bulby rise. Sit back and watch Bunman them rise. Sit back and watch Tesha them rise. And then when time the monster them get so big, they can't squash it. They can't control it. Those days are over. Thickman and Termite were the modern day version of Bulby and Tesha and Bunman and Booba and them people. Modern day version. Them not get no chance to rise fully to the top, guy. Off the high heaven. See you later. Cause them see what happen one time. Them see them and watch man build and build and build till them reach a point till them can't crush it. You know how long them a try crush clansman. Them a try bring down one faction at a time. That's what happen when you leave it too late. I make the monster grow some 10-inch claws. I'm no man up on the corner, Mr. I say, man, fire off 100 rounds off of me. You're upset at the wrong person, guy. See that those out in the dan, I only go bun down back quotes. See that those out in the dan so badly that him sinus probably affect him right when he was taking the last breath. Get it? Those out. The sinus. And your response was to go shell down on TV in a quotes. You damn television! How dare you make me down dead? We can tell about the West Kingston man. Them did have even more chat than one another. And talk like them a Terminator. Dodos gas them up so much. Presidential clique gas them up so much them think them tougher than steel. Guy, we saw how you kill them behave in the incursion. It was pathetic. All that talking about big long shootout. Threatening me with a good time. Only to be disappointed. One hour go sit on one side, drinking the Guinness and burning a spliff, breathing the kerosene and collecting the jacket quickly. It's a circus. Post Thickman demise, it's a circus, but you see that for yourself still. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself, PIA, you don't know, more live, Ultra Squad, stay circling, bless.